Hey guys, welcome to another video. We'll be looking at the OnePlus Nord2. So let's get started. We're going to look at the cons of the OnePlus Nord2. Yes, we're starting with the cons. Coming to the first point would be that it comes with a 90Hz refresh rate. Now, a lot of phones in this segment come with a 120Hz refresh rate. Now, the screen on time is around 6 to 6.5 hours considering the battery, which is around 4500 mAh. Now, the phone comes with a plastic frame and you can take a call about the durability on that. The phone can shoot 4K video at only 30 FPS, meaning you don't get to shoot at 60 FPS, meaning the video which you shoot is not going to be that smooth as of a 60 FPS video at 4K. I did face a lot of performance issues, meaning the app loading time is a bit more than usual. For example, whenever I load a gallery app, it takes a bit more time, but once it's loaded, it's fast enough. But the initial load is a bit slow. Now, due to a lack of cooling system, the phone's temperature reaches around 40 to 43 degrees Celsius. So you have to be careful in that manner. Now, the next segment is something which I would like to call not a pro nor a con. Meaning, these are some neutral points and it's up to you to consider it as a pro or a con. First one would be the phone has a brightness level of 600 nits. It is decent enough in your everyday usage and shouldn't be much of a problem. Second is it has 6 5G bands. There is no 3.5mm headphone jack in the OnePlus Nord2. The OnePlus Nord2 would be the first phone which is at the initial stage of OxygenOS and ColorOS merge. For example, take a look at the camera app. You could see the font and the layout similar to that of a ColorOS. It totally depends on how you take this combination because ColorOS targets on customization and OxygenOS kind of keeps it clean. So maybe the merge might work and might not work. Now, coming to gaming, the phone has a performance mode which when turned on gives you better performance at gaming, and also the phone comes with a MediaTek processor which is a 1200 AI chipset, meaning the AI helps you take better pictures, take better videos. Now, coming to the pros of the OnePlus Nord2. First would be the Corning Gorilla Glass on front and back. Second, you get stereo speakers with good amount of separation for that surround effect feel. Now, the major breakthrough of the OnePlus Nord2 would be its camera. You do get a 32 megapixel shooter on the front, which takes pretty good selfies and pretty good photos. On the back, you do get a tri-camera setup. The primary camera is a Sony IMX 50 megapixel sensor, which takes pretty good shots, pretty good depth. Second sensor is an 8 megapixel wide angle sensor and the third sensor is a 2 megapixel sensor. Now, all these sensors take decent shots which are pretty good to look at and are sharp and crisp. You do get a decent haptic feedback, and also the read-write speeds on OnePlus Nord2 is pretty good as you get LPDDR4 RAM with UFS 3.1 as the phone's form factor is 6.43 inches, meaning single hand usage is gonna be on the better side, and also enhance your overall experience while gaming, while taking photos, while taking videos as a whole. Now, coming to the verdict, if you want better cameras or decent enough performance, go for the OnePlus Nord2, which costs around 30,000. Or if you want a better performance, a better cooling system, a better chip, and also a okay-ish camera, you can consider the OnePlus 9R. The video link is right up there, which I have reviewed. Do have a look and make a wise choice. On that note, this is Karthik signing off. I'll catch you in my next one. Take care.